Good morning, my dear little ones. I hope you all are good and you have learned the work that was assigned to you yesterday. Are you done with your work? That's good. So, I am going to start today's class with English. So, all of you go and bring your child centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Go fast, all of you. Ritaj, Garmita, Gurman, Devik, Amira, Prisha, go fast. Ilara, go fast and bring your book. Yashvi, Vedansh, Yuvan, Viraj, all of you go and bring your English book. Okay. Urvashi, have you brought your English book? So, which letter we did yesterday? We did letter Q. We did letter Q. We did letter Q. First of all, listen to the phonic sound of letter Q.
Q. The queen is quilting quietly. The queen is quilting quietly. Quirr, 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 quirr is the sound of Q.
Q is the sound of Q. Q is the sound of Q. Q is the sound of Q. Q is the sound of Q. Okay? Q is the sound of Q. Quail. Quail. Q. Quail. Q. Quill. Q. Quill. Q. Quilt. Q. Queen. Q. Q. That's called a row. Quirk, 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 quirk is the sound of Q. Quirk is the sound of Q. Then there was a kinesthetic activity. Have the children make a duck's beak with their hands and say quack, 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 quack. They have to make a beak with their hand and they have to say quack, quack the way a duck says. Now, who is she? She is a queen. She is a queen. She is a queen. Okay. Now we will discuss about queen. A queen is someone special. Queen is someone special. Okay. She lives in a palace. The way we live at our home, जैसे आप अपने घर में रहते हो, क्वीन कहाँ रहती है? पैलेस में. क्वीन कहाँ रहती है? पैलेस. A palace is a big place. पैलेस क्या है? Big place है. बहुत बड़ा होता है पैलेस. Okay? The queen wears a crown. क्वीन ने ये अपने हेड पे क्या पहना हुआ है? Crown. What is she wearing? She is wearing a crown. The queen wears a crown. She takes care of her town. She takes care of her town. वो अपने टाउन की केयर करती है. Okay? From which she belongs and for which she is the queen. Okay? So this is letter Q. Q, quail, quill, quilt, queen. Q. Quirk, 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 quirk is the sound of Q. Quirk is the sound of Q. A queen is someone special. Queen special होती है बहुत. वो कहाँ रहती है? पैलेस में रहती है. And पैलेस क्या होता है? बहुत big place होता है. Queen wears a crown. What does she wears? The queen wears a crown on her head. This is a crown. Okay. She takes care of her town. Now you have to answer this question. The queen's palm is open. Yes or no? आपको बताना है क्वीन का palm जो है वो open है या closed है. This is a palm. This is closed. Now this is open. Closed, open. Closed, open. So you tell me, the palm of the queen is open or closed? It is open. It is open now. So we will put a tick on. We will put a tick on yes. Okay. Use your pencils and put a tick on yes. Okay. So this is about letter Q. This is all about letter Q. You have to recognize this letter Q. You have to recognize objects related to it. You have to discuss about the queen. Who is queen? Where does she live? What she wears on her head? What does she takes care of? So you have to talk about queen. Then with your hands you have to make a beak and say Q, and you have to say quack quack. What you have to say along with your hands? Quack quack. Okay, so this is all about letter Q. Moving on to next, now we are going to listen to the rhymes. Okay, so let's listen to the rhymes first. We heard a new rhyme yesterday. I am 333. So let's listen to that rhyme. This is a bit fast, but listen it carefully and enjoy the rhyme.
Look at me, I'm 333. I'm as happy as can be. Can you tell? Can you see? I'm so very, very, very happy. I can feel with love, put on my top, throw them all way up so high. I can share my toys with the girls and boys of the great big girl that I look at me, I'm 333. I'm as happy as can be. Can you tell? Can you see? I'm a very, very, very happy day. I'm learning colors, yes I am. I'm red and green and purple. And I love to draw on paper. I can even draw a circle. See? Look at me, I'm 333. I'm as happy as can be. Can you tell? Can you see? I'm a very, very, very happy. I'm a very, very, very happy baby.
So this is number 3. I am 333. Look at me, me. So I hope you all enjoyed this rhyme. Moving on to next. Now we are going to, what we are going to do today? Today we are going to do maths. So please open your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2. Okay, open your books now. Fast. Let's see what we are going to do today. We were done up to number 10. Okay, मैम ने आपको 1 to 10 बताया था. You started counting it. You started recognizing it. Now come to page number 27. Okay, here is a activity. Today we are going to do introduction to zero. Okay, आपने क्या क्या learn किया? 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Okay, so here I am going to introduce what is zero. Make chits. You have chits with 0 and few with numbers between 1 to 10. Keep in a bowl of beans and let the children sit in a circle. Give each them of a chit. Now parents, how you can conduct this activity? Basically, I have to teach my little ones about number 0. So I have made few chits. Okay, I have made chits over here. On most of the slips I have mentioned 0, but on few it's 10 or it's 2. So I have made chits of different number, but maximum of the chits are of 0. Maximum of the chits are of 0 number. So I am going to fold this chit, okay, and I'll put it in a bowl. I'll put it in a bowl. Now all the chits will be there in the bowl, and I'll ask the kids to pick out the number. Okay, suppose I am going to pick a number and here it comes 0. Now another one, I am having the bowl of kidney beans. Okay, what we call it, it's rajma. I can show you over here. Look, so I am having a bowl full of rajma with me. Now what your child has to do, क्या करना है, बच्चे को chit pick करनी है and read the number and you have to pick up the kidney beans as per the number mentioned. Now here is number 1, so the child will pick only 1. Okay, child will pick only one bean. Okay, now when it's 0, so the child will not pick any of the kidney bean. आपको बताना है कि इस पे 0 है तो आपको pick नहीं करना. 0 means nothing. It's 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Okay, so they will not pick any. आपको पहले बताना है 0 means कुछ भी नहीं होता, आपको कुछ नहीं pick करना. Now when you will start this activity, just wait and observe while picking up the chits. While your child picks any kidney bean, if it comes 0, अगर 0 आता है तो baby कुछ pick करता है या नहीं करता है. If he or she picks some kidney beans, so you have to instruct them that you will not pick. When it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you have to pick as per the given number, but not on the 0. Please conduct this activity. This is really a fun-filled activity and our little ones are going to enjoy it. Okay. Now, coming on to next page, I request the parents to please put the date, month, year, circle the day for today and please circle the weather for today as well. Now here is the concept of 0 and activities with counters and beans. First of all, this is number 0. What is this? This is 0. Which number is this? 0. 0. 0 means nothing. So here are 6 parrots sitting over here on a branch. Golu and Molly spot a few parrots on a branch, but the moment they get there, they all fly away. Golu and Molly ने क्या देखा? Parrots देखे. कहाँ पर देखे? एक branch पे उन्होंने parrots देखे. ये देखो. Golu and Molly ने branch पे क्या देखा? कि parrots बैठे हुए हैं. Okay? But when they went there, जब वो वहाँ पर जाते हैं, so they all flew away. Now there are no parrots left on the branch. अब कोई parrot नहीं है उस branch पे. Have the children make a 0 with the fingers as shown, as if it's shown over here. Now how many parrots are there? There are 0 parrots. 0 parrots are there. Ask the children to clap 10 times, then 9 and so on till 1. Okay, your child will first clap for 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in the descending order, first you will ask the child to clap for 10, then 9, फिर 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay? आप जब ऐसे clap करवाएंगे अपने baby से 10 to 9 to 8 to 7 to 6 to 5 to 4 to 1. अब जब you'll ask them to clap 1 time, so they'll clap 1. Now ask them to clap for 0 time. So then they will not clap. Because it's 0, they have not to clap their hands. Okay, make sure the child will not clap. Now here in this basket, here are many fruits. And what's there in this basket? How many fruits are there? 0. You have to ask your child, how many fruits are there in the basket? They will say 0, mama. Now here in the matchstick box, there are many sticks. There are many sticks. इसमें बहुत सारी sticks हैं and इसमें 0 sticks हैं. So you will ask your child many and 0. Now, how many kidney beans are here? 1, 2. And how many kidney beans are here in this palm? 0. Again 0. That means nothing. Okay. So this way you will ask the concept, you will clear this concept, you will update this concept of 0, many in 1 to 10. Okay. So this is all about number 0. Now on next page, here is again you are already having kidney beans with you. So as per the given number, your child has to put kidney beans on this. Suppose here is number 3. So your child will put 1 kidney bean in 1 box. Then they'll put all in 3. Then 4, then 5. Up to 10 they have to put the kidney beans. So all in total you have to give them 55 kidney beans. Okay, you have to give them 55. Let the children place counters such as beans, matchsticks or buttons. It's not mandatory that you have to use only kidney beans. You can use either matchstick or buttons according to the numbers on the number board as shown. 1 bean per square and count. Okay. The squares for each number provide the control of error for this activity. Each child should work with 55 beans. You need to check that one box contains only 1 kidney bean. Okay. So this is all about maths. This is all about zero. Okay. This is a very good activity. The kids will learn about the numbers. I request the parents to please conduct these activities at home and share the pictures and videos with me. I'll be waiting for your videos and photos. Okay? Done? Moving on to next. Now it's art and craft time. What's time now? We are going to do some craft activity. So let's see what we are going to do now. In the last activity, you have to give your footprints. I was really very happy to see the activity. This was the activity of, I'm going to show you, this was the activity of footprints. Let's see what we are going to do today. Oh wow, today we are going to do paper folding activity. What we are going to do today? Paper folding activity. Okay. First of all, I request the parents to please circle the day for today. Then put the date, month and year. Then please circle the weather for today. So this is a paper folding activity. Paper folding activity. What two material we require is square sheet of paper, glue and black sketch pen. Instructions: fold a square sheet of paper into triangle for the roof. Okay, you have to take a square sheet. Here I have taken a colorful sheet. You can take a plain sheet. This is a square. Okay, so they have folded it in a triangle. I'll show you this way. They have folded it into a big triangle. Then give one more fold to make a small triangle. Okay. Then give one more fold to make a small triangle. Okay. So this is my triangle as shown over here in image 3. Okay. Moving on to next, fold another sheet of paper into square for the body of house. Then we have one more sheet and you have to fold it like this. Okay. मैम ने ऐसे fold कर लिया and now I have the step 2 in my hand. Then again give a fold to make it a small square. Okay. So I am going to fold it over here. I have taken the black sheet, but please take another sheet so that you can form some things over there. So now this is image 3. Now paste these in above space provided. You have to paste it over here. Now draw the door and a window. You have to draw a door and a window. This way you are going to paste. This is your hut. Okay, this is your hut with a triangle and square. Then you have to make door and window with a sketch pen. You have to make a door and a window with sketch pen. This is a very fun activity. I request the parents to please help your child in paper folding, but let them do it themselves. Don't do it completely for them. You can give a little bit help when they'll do the paper folding. So this is going to enhance their fine motor grip. So make sure that they will practice it themselves. If they are unable to do that, please help them for the same. Okay, so this is all about paper folding activity, and with this paper folding activity we have made a beautiful hut. We have made a beautiful house over here with a square and a triangle, with a square and a triangle. Okay, so this was a really good activity. Today we have done so many different things. We did counting with beans, with counters, or you can use buttons as well. Then we learned the concept of zero. Then we heard a rhyme, I am 333, and you have to revise letter Q, quail, and you have to discuss about the queen. Okay, so this is all about the day. Complete your activities, complete your task. We'll meet tomorrow. Take care, stay safe, and I miss you all. Bye, take care.